Thanks, sir. Namaste. We are starting our program with the Guru Paduka Puja. Yeah, students, others can stand, chant Guru Stotram. Karam Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurun Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Gurur Ma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurureva Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Tavaram Jangamam Vyaptam Yatkinchit Sacharacharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Chinmayam Vyapiyat Sarvam Trailokyam Sacharacharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Sarvashruti Shiroratna Virajita Padambujaha Vedantam Bhuja Suryo Yaha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Chaitanya Shashvata Shantaha Vyomatito Niranjanaha Bindunada Kalatitaha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Jnana Shakti Samarudhaha Tattvamala Vibhushitaha Bhukti Mukti Pradata Cha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Aneka Janma Samprarta Karma Bandha Vidahine Atmajnana Pradanena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shoshanam Bhavasindhoscha Jnapanam Sarasampadaha Gurof Padodakam Samyak Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Na Guroradikam Tattvam Na Guroradikam Tapaha Tattvajnanat Parannasti Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Mannata Shri Jagannatha Madguru Shri Jagadguru Madatma Sarvabhutatma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Gururadiranadescham Guruf Paramadaivatam Guruf Paratarannasti Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Brahmanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gaganasadrisham Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekannityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadhi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadguruntan Namami Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव. You can repeat Guru Ashtotra Namavali. I will chant, you can repeat after me. Om Sadgurave Namaha. Om Ajnananashakaya Namaha. Om Adambine Namaha. Om Advaita Prakashakaya Namaha. Om Anapekshaya Namaha. Om Anasuyave Namaha. Om Anupamaya.
Amanine Namaha.
Om Ahimsa Murtaye Namaha.
Om Ahimsa Murtaye Namaha.
Om Ahetukadaya Sindhave Namaha.
Om Ahetukadaya Sindhave Namaha.
Om Ahankaranashakaya Namaha.
Om Ahankaranashakaya Namaha.
Om Ahankaravarjinaya Namaha.
Om Ahankaravarjitaya Namaha.
Om Acharyendraya Namaha.
Om Acharyendraya Namaha.
Om Atmasantushtaya Namaha.
Om Atmasantushtaya Namaha.
Om Anandamurtaye Namaha.
Om Anandamurtaye Namaha.
Om Arjavayuktaya Namaha.
Om Arjavayuktaya Namaha.
Om Utitavache Namaha.
Om Uchitavache Namaha.
Om Utsahine Namaha.
Om Utsahine Namaha.
Om Udasinaya Namaha.
Om Udasinaya Namaha.
Om Uparadaya Namaha.
Om Uparadaya Namaha.
Om Aishwaryayuktaya Namaha.
Om Aishwaryayuktaya Namaha.
Om Kritakratyaya Namaha.
Om Kritakratyaya Namaha.
Om Kshamavate Namaha.
Om Kshamavate Namaha.
Om Gunadetaya Namaha.
Om Gunatitaya Namaha.
Om Chaduvagvilasaya Namaha.
Om Charuvagvilasaya Namaha.
Om Charuhasaya Namaha.
Om Charuhasaya Namaha.
Om Chinna Samshayaya Namaha.
Om Chinna Samshayaya Namaha.
Om Jnanadatre Namaha.
Om Jnanadatre Namaha.
Om Jnanayajñatatparaya Namaha.
Om Jnanayajñatatparaya Namaha.
Om Tattvadarshine Namaha.
Om Tattvadarshine Namaha.
Om Tapasvine Namaha.
Om Tapasvine Namaha.
Om Tapaharaya Namaha.
क्षेमाय नमः
ॐ निर्लोभाय नमः
ॐ निर्लोभाय नमः
ॐ निष्कामाय नमः
ॐ निष्कामाय नमः
ॐ निष्क्रोधाय नमः
ॐ निष्क्रोधाय नमः
ॐ निस्सङ्गाय नमः
ॐ निस्सङ्गाय नमः
ॐ परमसुखदाय नमः
ॐ परमसुखदाय नमः
ॐ पण्डिताय नमः
ॐ पण्डिताय नमः
ॐ पूर्णाय नमः
ॐ पूर्णाय नमः
ॐ प्रमाणप्रवर्तकाय नमः
ॐ प्रमाणप्रवर्तकाय नमः
ॐ प्रियभाषिणे नमः
ॐ प्रियभाषिणे नमः
ॐ ब्रह्मकर्मसमाधये नमः
ॐ ब्रह्मकर्मसमाधये नमः
ॐ ब्रह्मात्मनिष्ठाय नमः
ॐ ब्रह्मात्मनिष्ठाय नमः
ॐ ब्रह्मात्मविदे नमः
ॐ ब्रह्मात्मविदे नमः
ॐ भक्ताय नमः
ॐ भक्ताय नमः
ॐ भवरोगहराय नमः
ॐ भवरोगहराय नमः
ॐ भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदात्रे नमः
ॐ भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदात्रे नमः
ॐ मङ्गलकर्त्रे नमः
ॐ मङ्गलकर्त्रे नमः
ॐ मधुरभाषिणे नमः
ॐ मधुरभाषिणे नमः
ॐ महात्मने नमः
ॐ महात्मने नमः
ॐ महावाक्योपदेशकर्त्रे नमः
ॐ महावाक्योपदेशकर्त्रे नमः
ॐ मितभाषिणे नमः
ॐ मितभाषिणे नमः
ॐ मुक्ताय नमः
ॐ मुक्ताय नमः
ॐ मौनिने नमः
ॐ मौनिने नमः
ॐ यतचित्ताय नमः
ॐ यतचित्ताय नमः
ॐ यतये नमः
ॐ यतये नमः
ॐ यदृच्छालाभसन्तुष्टाय नमः
ॐ यदृच्छालाभसन्तुष्टाय नमः
ॐ युक्ताय नमः
ॐ युक्ताय नमः
ॐ रागद्वेषवर्जिताय नमः
ॐ रागद्वेषवर्जिताय नमः
ॐ विदिताखिलशास्त्राय नमः
ॐ विदिताखिलशास्त्राय नमः
ॐ विद्याविनयसम्पन्नाय नमः
ॐ विद्याविनयसम्पन्नाय नमः
ॐ विमत्सराय नमः
ॐ विमत्सराय नमः
ॐ विवेकिने नमः
ॐ विवेकिने नमः
ॐ विशालहृदयाय नमः
ॐ विशालहृदयाय नमः
ॐ व्यवसायिने नमः
ॐ व्यवसायिने नमः
ॐ शरणागतवत्सलाय नमः
ॐ शरणागतवत्सलाय नमः
ॐ शान्ताय नमः
ॐ शान्ताय नमः
ॐ शुद्धमानसाय नमः
ॐ शुद्धमानसाय नमः
ॐ शिष्यप्रियाय नमः
ॐ शिष्यप्रियाय नमः
ॐ श्रद्धावते नमः
ॐ श्रद्धावते नमः
ॐ श्रोत्रियाय नमः
ॐ श्रोत्रियाय नमः
ॐ सत्यवाचे नमः
ॐ सत्यवाचे नमः
ॐ सदा मुदितवदनाय नमः
ॐ सदा मुदितवदनाय नमः
ॐ समचित्ताय नमः
ॐ समचित्ताय नमः
ॐ समानादिकवर्जिताय नमः
ॐ समानादिकवर्जिताय नमः
ॐ समाहितचित्ताय नमः
ॐ समाहितचित्ताय नमः
ॐ सर्वभूतहिताय नमः
ॐ सर्वभूतहिताय नमः
ॐ सिद्धाय नमः
ॐ सिद्धाय नमः
ॐ सुलभाय नमः
ॐ सुलभाय नमः
ॐ सुशीलाय नमः
ॐ सुशीलाय नमः
ॐ सुहृदे नमः
keep down. All fans can be switched on. At least this is all. Om Jyotirmaya Lingaya Jyotishamaya Deepam Dadami Tasya Pradipapradayine Om Shri Sadguru Swamine Namaha Deepam Darshayami. David, begin. Om Hiranmaye
परिकोशे सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकं नेमा विद्युतो भान्तिकुतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति।
Om Shri Sadguru Swamine Namaha Karpura Nirajan Samdashayami. सर्वोपचारार्थं पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि. यस्य प्रसादादहमेव विष्णुः सर्वं मयि परिकल्पितं च इत्थं विजानामि सदात्मरूपं तस्याङ्घ्रिपद्मं नमस्कारामि. अनया पूजया श्री सद्गुरुः प्रीयतां नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.
Now I request Brahmacharani Balakumari ji to do the invocation prayer.
गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन, शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सबलायक शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन मोदक प्रिय मुद मंगलदाता मोदक प्रिय मुद मंगलदाता विद्यावारिधि बुद्धि विधाता शंकर सुवन भवानी मंगल शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन थैंक यू
Namaste to all of you. Today we celebrate the 30th anniversary day of our Gurukulam. The Gurukulam, founded in 1990 by Pujya Sri Swami Dayananda Saraswati for the traditional teaching and study of Vedanta and Sanskritam, Gurukulam continues to conduct long-term and short-term courses for the students from all over the world. This Gurukulam teaches Shastram in a traditional lifestyle where the students, they stay with the teacher doing seva to the teacher and the Gurukulam. Sanskritam is also taught through the Paninian grammar system. The knowledge of Sanskritam helps the students to grasp the Bhashyam of Shankara Bhagavad Pada completely. Not only Vedanta and Sanskritam, even the Indian culture and yoga are also a part of the course. Students who have done the long-term course here before, they are teaching all over the world, maintaining the traditional thread. And recognized for the contribution to the dissemination of the teaching of Shastram based on the Bhashyam of Shankara Bhagavad Pada, our Gurukulam recently received an award from Hari Singh Gaur Vishwavidyalaya, Madhya Pradesh. So every year we celebrate the anniversary function with the chief guest and devotees and visitors participating directly. But now due to COVID situation, this time we are restricted to conduct the function in a limited way. Even when the classes are conducted online due to COVID situation, we conduct the function with our chief guest, Swami Viditatmanandaji, presiding the function online. You can see him. And the audience being the current course students of the Gurukulam and also the limited number of visitors here. And also the many people who are watching the function live stream, which goes live stream. We offer our humble pranams and welcome our chief guest Swami Viditatmanandaji for this function. Viditatmanandaji, a very senior disciple of Swamiji, is very well known to all of us. Last year, almost a year back, he conducted a camp at the end of 108 day course, Valley of Value for us. A senior disciple and having an ashram in Gujarat. He teaches Vedanta in a simple way and we all can assimilate. So we welcome our the chief guest. And we welcome our Acharya Ji, Swami Sadatmananda Ji, the paramount trustee of Shruti Seva Trust, and Swami Jagadatmananda Ji, the trustee of Shruti Seva Trust. And we welcome all the Swamis, and all the people. We welcome the students and the visitors to the function. We also welcome the visitors who are watching the program online. We welcome every one of us, you all, to this anniversary celebration of the Gurukulam. Thank you. Now, I request Shri Vallabheshan Ji, General Manager, Arshavidya Gurukulam, to present the annual Gurukulam report.
Om Shri Mahaganapati Namaha. Pranam to our Chief Acharya Swami Sadatmananda Ji, our Chief Guest Swami Vidatmananda Ji, Swamijis, Swaminis, respected Chairman Sri Santaram Ji, Secretary Siva Prasad Ji, all the trustees of Shruti Seva Trust, AVG employees, students of 2 years course and distinguished guests. Presenting the Gurukulam report. We hereby submit the Gurukulam report 2020 with the highlights of the specific events. On the teaching front, on 18th December 2019, 108 days course was concluded along with the 4 days residential camp of Swami Vidatmananda Saraswati. The most significant milestone this year is the starting of 2 years Vedanta course from 15th January 2020. The content of the course is various topics of Vedanta, Bhagavad Gita, Sanskrit and meditation and also Vedic chanting. Presently, the course is going on well with 28 students, which includes 10 foreign nationals. The first year of the 2 years course will be concluded on 15th January 2021, and the second year of the course will start after a 3 weeks break. The retreats held between December 2019 and March 2020. The values in Bhagavad Gita by Swami Vidatmananda Saraswati, workshop on Vedic astrology by Swami Jagadatmananda Saraswati, 2 camps by Japanese students Michikachi's group of students from Chile led by Francisco visited the Gurukulam during the Mahashivratri celebration. Online retreat. AVG conducted the first online retreat. It was the first online retreat using video conferencing conducted by AVG Anekati. It was conducted by Swami Shankarananda Ji from Mysore on Zoom and coordinated by AVG. The topic of the retreat was meditation for self-growth and self-discovery. It was 1 week retreat from 28th August to 5th September 2020. An average 70 to 75 students attended the classes. As it was the first retreat, registration was free. The review from the participants was the retreat was very beneficial and were a request to conduct more e-retreats. Upcoming e-retreat. We will be conducting an e-retreat from 27th December 2020 to 2nd January 2021. The topic of the e-retreat will be Mandakya Upanishad from Swami Vidatmananda Saraswati, and also there will be a morning meditation and evening satsang will be conducted by our Chief Acharya. The administration. We have recently opened a Swami Dayananda Medical Center for the benefit of the employees, students, ashtramites. We are extremely thankful to Dr. Ramesh and his wife for visiting the medical center every Thursday evening for consultation, and they are doing this as a seva. The process of maintenance renewal is a continuous one. There has been a focus on maintenance on the infrastructure and aging. There is also a project for automation. The most significant additions during this year was installation of heat pump at Prayag Women's Hostel for supply of hot water and also a water softener plant with a capacity of supplying 24,000 liters softened water. We expect to undertake infrastructure improvements. The work is likely to include maintenance of building, pathways, roads, wiring, plumbing, etc. The initiatives like wastewater management, water conservation, and pound conservation are also likely to be taken up. We plan for an exclusive flower garden to cater the need of the temple. The annual public celebrations like New Year, Makara Sankranti, Mahashivratri, Tamil New Year, Guru Payarchi, Guru Purnima, Puja Swami's birthday, Puja Swami's Aradhana Day, and other events were celebrated as per the traditions of the Gurukulam. As also we had a live streaming of the following programs: Guru Purnima Puja, Mula Mantra Japa, Samarthana Day, Saraswati Puja, and Vidyarambam on the day of Vijayadashmi. To improve the quality of the live streaming, we have upgraded the AV system with a high-tech new generation camera, Gosala. We have added 2 more Desi cows to our Gosala and planning to add few more in the future. To manage the Gosala, we have introduced a Go Samprakshanam scheme. The details of the scheme are available in the office and the same will be posted on our website shortly. The routine short-term treats Sunday classes were cancelled since March 2020 due to pandemic, COVID-19. It was quite unfortunate that Gurukulam activities got affected due to pandemic. However, with the guidance and blessings of Acharya Ji, the pandemic situation has been well managed. The Gurukulam implemented all necessary steps as directed by the health department like sanitization, wearing mask, thermal check, social distancing. With effective from 1st March, foreign guests and visitors were restricted and visiting from staying at Gurukulam. Due to absence of workers during the lockdown, students and Seva people volunteered for maintenance of the premises, temples and kitchen from 25th March to 19th May 2020. We pray to Pujya Swamiji and Lord Dakshinamurti to bless us with more developments and teaching programs to reach the global seekers of the true knowledge. All are welcome to participate in the various activities of the Gurukulam. Thank you.
Now I request Swami Jagadatmanandaji to honor our Acharya Ji. Swami Jagadatmananda Saraswati, trustee of Shruti Seva Trust, is, yes, Nipunatvam in astrology, we all know, conducted many retreats here, and also is teaching Sanskritam for the long-term course students. Now I request Swami Jagadatmanandaji to give his Anugraha Bhashanam in Tamil.
ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்பியோ நமஹ. பூஜ்ய சுவாமி அவர்களுடைய திருவடிகளை வணங்கி, ஆச்சாரியஜி அவர்களுடைய பாதங்களை வணங்கி, இங்கே வந்துள்ள அனைத்து சுவாமிஜிகள், சுவாமினிகள் அனைவருக்கும் பாத நமஸ்காரம் செய்து கொண்டு, இங்கே நிகழ்ந்து வருகின்ற 2 ஆண்டு வேதாந்த படிப்பிலே இணைந்துள்ள அனைத்து மாணவ மாணவியர்க்கும் நல்லாசிகளை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு, இந்த 30வது ஆண்டு விழா, ஆர்ஷ வித்யா குருகுலத்தினுடைய 30வது ஆண்டு விழாவுக்கு வருகை தந்துள்ள உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் நல்வரவு தெரிவித்து கொண்டு, இந்த நாளிலே, இந்த பொன்னாளிலே அடியேனும் இங்கே ஒரு அங்கமாக நின்று இந்த உரையை ஆற்றக்கூடிய ஒரு பேற்றினை வழங்கியுள்ள பூஜ்ய சுவாமியின் கருணைக்கு கோடானு கோடி நன்றிகளை தெரிவித்து கொண்டு, எப்பொழுதும் 30 என்பது ஜோதிஷ சாஸ்திரத்தில் ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு விஷயம். என்னென்னா, சனி கிரகம் 12 ராசிகளையும் ஒரு முறை சுற்றி வருவதற்கு 30 ஆண்டுகள் ஆகும். இந்த 30 ஆண்டுகளில் பெரிய பெரிய மாற்றங்களும் அதே மாதிரி பெரிய பெரிய சம்பவங்களும் நிகழ்வது உண்டு. அப்படித்தான் நம்ம இந்த காலகட்டத்திலே பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கிற இந்த பேரழிவு, இயற்கை சீற்றங்கள், பேரழிவு, நோய் நொடிகள் போன்ற உலகம் முழுவதும் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு சூழ்நிலைகள். ஆனால் பூஜ்ய சுவாமிஜியினுடைய அருளினாலே இந்த கோவிட் சூழ்நிலையிலும் கூட இந்த ஆசிரமத்திலே, நம்முடைய குருகுலத்திலே நிகழ வேண்டியவைகளெல்லாம் எப்பொழுதும் போல நிகழ்ந்து கொண்டே இருக்கின்றன என்கின்ற அதிசயத்தை நாம் பார்த்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றோம். அதற்கு என்ன காரணம் என்று கேட்டால், பூஜ்ய சுவாமிஜி அவர்களுடைய பெரும் கருணை தான். பூஜ்ய சுவாமிஜியோட பழகியவர்கள், பார்த்தவர்கள் நிறைய பேர் இங்கே வந்திருக்கின்றீர்கள். உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் தெரியும் பூஜ்ய சுவாமிஜி எவ்வளவு கருணாசாகரன், தயாசாகரன், பெயருக்கேற்றாற் போல என்பது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். பூஜ்ய சுவாமிஜியுடைய கருணையால் தான் இந்த குருகுலம் இன்றளவிலும் மென்மேலும் மென்மேலும் வளர்ந்து கொண்டே இருக்கின்றது. நிறைய பேர் பூஜ்ய சுவாமிஜி இங்கே இல்லையே, நாம் ஏன் செல்ல வேண்டும் என்று நினைப்பார்கள். ஆனால் கடந்த 3 ஆண்டுகளாக 2017ஆம் ஆண்டிலிருந்து அடியேன் இங்கேயே இருந்து சேவைகளை செய்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றேன். அப்பொழுதெல்லாம் நான் உணர்கிற ஒரு விஷயம் என்னவென்று கேட்டால், பூஜ்ய சுவாமிஜி அவர்கள் மறையவில்லை, நம் நெஞ்சிலே நிறைந்திருப்பதைப் போல இந்த புண்ணிய க்ஷேத்திரத்திலும் நிறைந்திருக்கின்றார். ஆகையினாலே இந்த ஸ்தலமானது ஒரு குருஸ்தலம், புண்ணியஸ்தலம். இந்த ஸ்தலத்தை வந்து தரிசிப்பதற்கும் இங்கே இருப்பதற்கும் இங்கே படிப்பதற்கும் பெரும் பேறு பெற்றவர்கள், முற்பிறவியிலே பல புண்ணியங்களை செய்தவர்கள் மட்டும்தான் இந்த பெரும் பாக்கியத்தை அடைய முடியும். அந்த வகையிலே நாமெல்லாம் கொடுத்து வைத்தவர்கள், பூஜ்ய சுவாமிஜியினுடைய கருணைக்கு பாத்திரமானவர்கள் என்பதிலே இந்த பிறவி முற்று பெறுகிறது. இந்த ஜனனம் எடுத்த நோக்கம் முற்று பெறுகிறது. குருவை தரிசித்த மாத்திரத்திலேயே இந்த நோக்கம் முற்று பெறுகிறது. ஆகையினாலே இந்த நாளிலே பூஜ்ய சுவாமிஜியினுடைய நினைவுகளுக்கு போற்றி செய்து நிறைவு செய்கின்றோம். ஓம் தத் சத்.
Thank you, Swamiji. Now I request Dr. R. Parthasarthi, Chief Medical Officer of Swami Dayananda Jayavardhana Velu Ayurvedalaya, Anekatti, to present his annual report.
Guru Ganeshabhyam Namaha. Namaste and pranams to everyone gathered here. Thank you for the opportunity. It's a pleasure for us to present ourselves, our operations. So we were functioning normally until March 2020, and as we all know, we were also hit by the COVID-19 pandemic, and on the directions of the government, we were supposed to close down, but we continued our work in the hospital in-house. We were 12 people in-house. We continued the maintenance activities, improvisational works, process automation, and improving the process during this period. And we were also fortunate enough to start the operations in the month of October. We started the operations for a small batch as a trial run in the month of October for 25 days. So we could have around 8 people coming from India. We were primarily having people coming from other countries. We were getting people from 37 countries coming for treatments, and because of this scenario, foreigners weren't allowed to come into India. So we had Indians, like 8 people coming in for treatments, and we could successfully follow all the COVID protocol. We could follow 25 plus special COVID protocol, and we could we are convinced with the process that we could do in this October, and hence we are restarting the operations in the month of December also. We are not doing on a continuous basis because there are only few people who are able to come in for the treatments, who are convinced to come for the treatments. So we are doing it in batches where we consolidate patients. For example, in the month of December, we have already received 13 bookings. So we are closing the admissions with 13 patients, almost all Indians coming in for the treatment. And we are furthermore improving our COVID protocol and our safety measures. So we hope to continue this on an alternate month basis for 25 days or 30 days, consolidating the patients who are coming for treatments for the next few months until the COVID scenario is completely over. And we had a great amount of support from our extended family of patients also during this period. There were so many people who were coming forward to help us in all possible means. They were even wanting to support us financially. To that extent, our extended family of patients, our old patients from the last 6 years were ready, but we could manage the situation even without their support, but their support is always there, ready for us. So I hope and wish and pray that the situation turns favorable in the coming years. It has already started, but pray that it goes little more favorable so that we can get back to our operations soon as we did before. Thank you so much. Thanks for the opportunity. Pranam Swamiji.
Swamiji, they will give mic for you. Before the Anugraha Bhashanam of our chief guest, Swami Viditatmananda Saraswati ji, our Acharya ji will introduce him. We all know, but he'll say some few words about him.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. We are very happy and feel blessed to have virtual presence of Swami Viditatmananda Saraswati ji Maharaj, who is a senior disciple of Pujya Swami ji, the president of AVG Salisbury, US, and he conducts classes in Ahmedabad. Over and above all this, he is a great Mahatma. I am blessed to know Swamiji for last 40 years, and I have seen his greatness in various ways, and yesterday I got one more example. Just I had a thought, yesterday only I got a thought that how about inviting Swamiji to bless us? Just one day notice, I requested, I sent a message, and Swamiji, without any fuss, agreed. So this shows how great Mahatma is. Akshudra Buddhihi, that is called Mahatma. And we can see this in Swamiji. So we are very fortunate to have his presence, virtual presence, and I request him to bless us by his Ashirvachanam. Oh.
Can you hear somebody is hearing? Pranam Swami Viditatmananda ji Maharaj. Yes. Yes, Swamiji, we can hear you. Pranam Swamiji. Now I request Swami Viditatmananda ji Maharaj to give his Ashirvasanam. Yes, you can hear.
This great institute, founded by Pujya Swamiji 30 years ago, of which Vedanta, the Upanishad, the Brahma Sutra are the principal texts, which is what we are teaching. And then yoga, now here Ayurveda, Arts India. Vedanta is the principal teaching here. Is Vedanta is what a human being needs the most. As Bhagavad Gita concludes the teaching, Ma Shuchaha, the shoka of the grief is a fundamental problem of the human. Every human being suffers from grief. Next. And that shoka is the result of moha, the delusion or ignorance. Just to grieve. Grief gives rise to again delusion and makes it very difficult for us to function properly. This has been very well demonstrated in the Bhagavad Gita. That Arjuna totally confused this conflict in the midst of the battlefield. That is why Vedanta, of which and the teaching of the Upanishads is amplified in the Bhagavad Gita, in Brahma Sutra, as well as many Prakara Granthas or treatises which explain these great texts. This is the body of knowledge called Vedanta. And of course, all the texts are in Sanskrit, and therefore, so extremely important. Puja Swami made a great emphasis in teaching, including the Puja Swami also believed that Vedic chanting is very important. To recount my own when in the end of 1920, I visited Sandipani Sadhanalaya, where Puja Swami was Acharya, and where I was going to join the course. I went to Pawai Sandipani Sadhanalaya, and Puja Swamiji happened to be there. And interestingly enough, the first question that I asked Puja Swamiji, do you teach Vedic chanting here? Swami was pleased to hear this question from me. He said, yes. Vedic chanting makes you strong. And there are Vedic chanting. And of course, yoga, meditation, all of these are part of the total sadhana, which we went through in schools, and which all of you are going through right now as students. The purposes of the teaching was to create teachers. Teacher create another teacher. Many of you may have heard this verse composed by Bhagavan Adishwara. It's a Mangalacharan, in a text called Shakashloki, where Shankara is Dushtanto Neva Dushtaha त्रिभुवन जठरे सद्गुरोः ज्ञानदातुः Bhagavan Shankaracharya wanted to describe his teacher. And for that, he was looking for upama, but which can aptly describe a teacher. He says, Dushtanto neva dushta. I cannot find an illustration. Dashare, the entire three worlds, the earth, intermediate, not find illustration. Sadguru, Jnanadapu, to describe
Now I request our Acharya ji, Swami Sadatmananda Saraswati ji, to give his Anugraha Bhashanam.
Om Sadashivasamarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam Yasya Krupa Prayatnabhyam Sthaname Tatsunirmitam Tameva Swaminam Pujyam Vandeham Sadaram Muda. I am happy to be a part of this 30th anniversary celebration of Arsha Vidya Gurukulam, which was founded by Pujya Swamiji in October 1990. In one place, Pujya Swamiji describes the spirit of Arsha Vidya Gurukulam. I think it cannot be put in any better manner than he has done. He says, the study of Vedanta is a serious study of oneself, and it entails the personal care and attention of the teacher for the students. And Arsha Vidya Gurukulam is an honest attempt of providing the students such environment where there is personal care and attention. Elsewhere he says, this Gurukulam is a home away from home, where you are taken care of so that you can be with the teaching. This is the spirit of Pujya Swamiji when he founded the Gurukulam. And we are trying here to maintain that spirit of this Gurukulam. Various courses are conducted. Now we are having a long-term course of 2 years. And when there was convenient situation, conducive situation, we had short-term courses as well. For this Gurukulam to run well, the 4 pillars of Gurukulam need to be very strong. Like they say, for democracy, there are 4 columns, 4 pillars. representation, then equality, freedom, justice. These are 4 pillars of democracy. For government, they say there are 4 pillars: legislative, executive, judiciary, and press. These are the 4 pillars of government. Similarly, for our Gurukulam, also there are 4 pillars. Pillars in a figurative sense, not RCC pillar or steel pillars or something. The 4 pillars are, first of all, the teachers. The second, students. Third is management and staff, which runs the Gurukulam. And the fourth is the donors and supporters. So these are the 4 pillars of Gurukulam. Gurukulam will run well when these 4 pillars are strong and supportive. And each one of them needs to have proper attitude towards Gurukulam. So today we will try to see what can be the attitude of each one of them. Gurukulam is there because there are students to study and the teachers to teach. So the teachers, who are the first pillars, they have the attitude towards the Gurukulam that Gurukulam is an avenue, an opportunity to express my gratitude to the Sampradaya, to the tradition by which I am immensely benefited. So Gurukulam provides me an opportunity to pay back, to express my gratitude to the parampara of the Acharyas. And also an attitude that Gurukulam becomes a medium for me to be in touch with Shastra. When teaching is there, study will be there. So Gurukulam and teaching in Gurukulam provides me the opportunity to be in touch with Shastra. That is the attitude. There is no other motive, no other agenda. And also the teachers are aware of the fact that not only their teaching is going to have the impact on the students, their conduct, their behavior, their expressions are also going to have the impact on the students. So that awareness is there. So this is the approach and attitude of the teachers who form the first pillar of Gurukulam. The second pillar, which is in the form of students, what is their attitude? They look upon Gurukulam with the attitude of gratitude, that because of this Gurukulam, we have an opportunity to study the Shastra in depth. They feel blessed to be here. And gratitude is so much that there is always eagerness, readiness to express it in the form of seva or any form of contribution. And also there is sincerity to make use of the opportunity given by the Lord in the form of this Gurukulam. That is the attitude of the students. What is the attitude of management and the staff? Their attitude is that elsewhere they can do the job and earn money. But here they have opportunity to earn their livelihood and also serve this noble cause. And that also makes them feel blessed to be a part of Gurukulam. That is the attitude of the management and the staff. The attitude of the supporters, the donors, is that as a Grihastha, we are supposed to do 5 Mahayagnas: Deva Yagna, Pitru Yagna, Brahma Yagna, Manushya Yagna, and this Bhuta Yagna. And of these 5, this Brahma Yagna is studying the Shastra, teaching the Shastra, and by extension, supporting the teaching activity, supporting the scripture Shastra teaching. And Bhagavan has given me the opportunity to contribute to this Gurukulam, who is doing this Jnana Yajna. So the donor has this attitude: I have an opportunity to contribute to this cause so that I am fulfilling my duty of doing Brahma Yajna. And also, they can visit this place. Teaching is generally going on. There are so many short-term courses, and definitely they can benefit from those courses. But they have this feeling of being blessed to be the part of this Gurukulam by way of contribution. If this is the attitude of all the 4 pillars, then Gurukulam can run very smoothly. And fortunately, the 4 pillars of our Gurukulam are strong and supportive. By the grace of Dakshinamurti, by grace of our Pujya Swamiji, he has worked so much, and people in general are so grateful to him that they are ready to support this Gurukulam even when his physical presence is not there in this Gurukulam. So, we express our gratitude to Pujya Swamiji, Lord Dakshinamurti, and pray that let these all 4 pillars continue to support this Arsha Vidya Gurukulam, so that the spirit with which Pujya Swamiji has founded this Gurukulam will be maintained in years to come. With this, I conclude. Om Tat Sat.
Oh, yes. Swami Viditatmananda Saraswati ji will join shortly and continue his Ashir Vachanam. Yeah. Samaji? Me? Not me, Samaji. I am not singer. People are watching online.
I'm not remembering. I'm not remembering. Yeah.
Guru Prarthana, Shiva Shloka, Dum Dum Damaru Bhaji. Anything, any song.
Swamiji Shiva. Shambho Shankara Sada Shiva. शम्भो शङ्करा सदाशिवा लिङ्गोद्भवहरा लिङ्गेश्वरा जगदीश्वरा मां पाहि प्रभो जगदीश्वरा मां पाहि प्रभो पाहि प्रभो मां पाहि विभो पाहि प्रभो मां पाहि विभो शम्भो शङ्करा सदाशिवा.
Pranam Swamiji. Can you hear us, Swamiji? Yes, Swamiji, we can hear you. Yeah, yes. Yes, Swamiji, Pranam Swamiji, you can please continue, Swamiji. Sorry for the problem. Yeah. The problem. Volume. Yes, Swamiji. Please, Swamiji. Yeah, we all can hear you, Swamiji. You can please continue, Swamiji.
Okay. So we were talking about Puja Swami. Puja Swamiji has made the most significant contribution contributed to this country by providing an authentic people and creating authentic people. I'm very happy to be part of the tradition. Very happy also to be part of this celebration today. I thank Swami Sadatmanand and his Gurukulam for inviting me to participate here. As Swami Sadatmanand is the four pillars which are required for the sustenance and the prosperity of the Guru. And I congratulate all of them. I congratulate the trustees, the donor, the volunteers, the well-wishers, for the important contribution in building this institute. So Swami Sadatmanand, Swami Shankaranandaji, Jagatmanandaji and others, being the second pillar. As in relation to all of you, the students, the third pillar, and all the devotees of God. I pray to Lord Dakshinamurti to bless everyone in their pursuit of knowledge and liberation, and inspire them, guide them to the right path, and achieve the ultimate goal, which is moksha. In particular, I congratulate all of you students who have energy in being devoted to these studies. I know that all of you are very devoted to, and I need not say that. Please make the best use of the time that you have. The time similar to this will never come back. To recount my own experience, I think of the times when the Peter Puja's school studying the scriptures has been good for in time of life. And thus we are here. We are both fortunate that we are here. For the studies, so please make the best use of the time. Not only learn the but also study Sanskrit as well as you can. Do pay attention to the Vedic chanting. And memorize as much as you can. Especially to memorize a lot of things. So memorizing, important part of the text, such as the Bhagavad Gita, some mantras of Upanishads, that can inspire you. Also use your time to memorizing things. Because that is what stays with you. Also, what will help you to invite the teacher and share the teaching. That Atman to all ready to continue your seva, which is excellent attitude. I know that all of you participate in the temple puja, in the chanting, in the regular situation. And the very all of you and Freedom Darshan, all of you in particular, so that you invite the novel, sing that knowledge, become blessed, and blessing others. All
Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you so much for your compassion to discontinue. I mean, even though the talk was discontinued because of internet issue, but still you considered to continue that, and really, it was we were really blessed to have to listen to your Ashirvadam in spite of internet issues, unstable internet connection. Thank you so much, Swamiji. And as a small information, already our students are halfway through Ashtadhyagi. They are becoming masters in Sanskrit. And then also we have excellent chanters. We are learning all the major chantings, which are the Mantra Pushpam. People chant at the temple regularly. They are regular temple visitors, and many of them, they know all the chantings by heart. Thank you so much, Swamiji, and really your speech was really, it will inspire the students further to create, to learn more chanting, and they try to understand the nuances of chanting. And by your blessings, we all will do well. Thank you so much, Swamiji. But by seeing you, we see your physical presence here, even though, thank you so much, Swamiji. Words are not enough to express our gratitude. Thank you so much. Yeah. Now we have come to the end of the program. It's a long program. So now I request our dynamic man, Mr. Kadiravan, the manager, Asha Vidya Gurukula, young and energetic, dynamic person to come and give his present his vote of thanks. Thank you, sir.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. With the blessings of Pujya Swamiji, let me thank our guests today. My humble pranams to Sri Swami Sadatmanda Saraswati, Chief Acharya, Paramount Trustee, Asa Vidya Gurukula. Special guest of the day, Sri Swami Vidatmananda Ji Maharaj, Sri Swami Prasanta Saraswati, Swami Jagatmananda Saraswati, Swami Brahmaninanda Saraswati, and our General Manager Vallabhesan Ji, Dr. Pathasarathi from Chief Consultant from SDG Ayurvedalaya, Dr. Ramesh Ji, and our beloved Guru Seva people and staff member of our Asa Vidya Gurukulam, students, volunteers and devotees. I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable event. I take this opportunity to express our special thanks to our guest, Sri Swami Vidatmananda Ji Maharaj, and our sincere thanks to our Acharya Sri Swami Sadatmanda Saraswati, Sri Shankarananda Saraswati, Sri Swami Jagatmananda Saraswati, the dynamic and flexible source of guidance in all matters for gracing this occasion. We are extremely grateful to you, Swamijis, for your insightful address. I would like to express thankfulness to Swami Prasanta Ji, Swami Viswatmananda Ji, Swamini Vedarthananda and Swamini Sadhananda for their guidance in all aspects. We thank the trustees of our Shruti Seva Trust. Also, our special thanks to Dr. Pathasarathi Ji, Dr. Ramesh Ji, Swami Brahmaninanda Ji, and Girijama, and Dr. Soundararajan. I express my deep gratitude to our General Manager, Sri Vallabhesan Ji, for his guidance in all other aspects. My thanks will not complete if I do not acknowledge my beloved Guru Seva people, Sri Nayar Ji, Sri Raman Ji, and Brahmachari Sharan Ji, and our Hanuman Brahmachari Kumar Chaitanya Ji, and Padmama Swamini Pramitananda Ji for their moral support and guidance. My special thanks to our co-students, and special thanks to Karan Ji and Siv Ji for this live streaming coordination, and advance thanks to Rajesh Ji for his coordination in dining hall.
Please mention there is a special arrangement for the visitors.
Okay, sir. And in dining hall there is a special arrangements for our visitors who can occupy in our new dining hall, please. I would like to thank the volunteers and guests of this event. And love includes everyone and excludes none. So we thank in a very special way our priest Rama Bhattji and Krishna Bhattji, and our staff Mr. Muthukumar, Mr. Subramaniam, Mr. Ramu, Mrs. Tangamani, Mr. Kesavan, Ms. Ramya, Mr. Suresh Adiga, and all employees of our Asa Vidya Gurukulam for the cooperation, support and undertaking which we receive always. Always I am proud to say that under the guidance of our Chief Acharya Swami Sadatmananda Ji, Swami Shankarananda Ji and Swami Jagatmananda Ji, we work as a team with a family spirit. Big thanks to all and have a nice day. Thank you.
We will conclude the program with the prayer. Om Swasti Prajabhyah Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahimahesha Go Brahmanebhyah Shivamastu Nityam Lokas Samastas Sukhino Bhavantu Kale Varshatu Parjanyaha Prithvi Sasya Shalini Desho Yam Shobharahitaha Brahmana Santu Nirbhaya Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityor Ma Amrutam Gamaya Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om
request all of you to proceed to the dining hall. For visitors, visitors can occupy the new dining hall. Thank you.